In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 1:1 ratio in Grok 2026, step by step. If you want perfectly square images for social posts, thumbnails, or clean grid layouts, the 1.1 aspect ratio is exactly what you need. I'll guide you through Grok's Imagine workspace and show you how to set this once so every image you generate in the session comes out square. Start by heading over to Grok's website in your browser and sign in if prompted. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's your main navigation. Find and open the Imagine section. This is Grok's image generation area, and it's where you'll access all the controls that influence how your outputs look. Inside Imagine, glance down to the bottom of the screen. You'll see the chat box where you normally type your prompts. Right beside that input field, there's a small label or toggle that says Image. Click that. Toggling to image makes sure the system is set to generate visuals rather than plain text, and it also reveals the options that affect your image settings. With image mode active, locate the controls for aspect ratio. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a drop-down, a button group, or a small panel. Open the aspect ratio options and choose 1:1. A 1:1 ratio means equal width and height, producing a perfect square. Selecting it now ensures that any images you create next will follow that shape automatically. Now move back to the chat box and write your prompt. Be as descriptive as you like. Mention subject, style, lighting, color palette, tuas, or mood. Clear prompts help the model hit your intent, while the aspect ratio keeps the canvas square. When you're ready, submit your prompt. After generation, your results will appear as squares. You'll notice every image respects the 1:1 setting you selected. If you iterate, remix, or run new prompts within the same session while 1:1 is selected, those outputs will stay square as well. If you ever need to switch to a different format, just revisit the aspect ratio control and pick a new option. Your next generations will use that updated ratio. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see Imagine in the sidebar, make sure the sidebar isn't collapsed. If the image toggle isn't visible, scroll the bottom area slightly or expand the window. And remember, changing the ratio affects new generations, not images you've already created. That's it. You've set Grok to produce clean, consistent 1.1 images. Type your prompt, submit, and enjoy square results every time.